In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn off Microsoft Defender Smartscreen in just 5 minutes. This can be useful if you're looking to have more control over your device's protective settings, or if you're troubleshooting an issue that may require these features to be disabled temporarily. Before we start, please remember that while turning off these features can streamline certain tasks, it might also reduce the protection offered by Windows security. So, be sure of your need to turn these features off, and remember to reactivate them once you're done, if they are necessary for your safety and security. To begin, go to the Start button on your taskbar. This is the icon typically located in the lower left-hand corner of your screen. It could also be represented by a magnifying glass icon situated right next to it. Clicking either one will allow you to access the search function, where you can type and find applications quickly. In the search box that appears, you simply need to type in Microsoft Defender or Windows Security. You should see an option to open this application. Click on that, and the Windows Security window will launch, giving you access to several important security settings for your system. Here, you'll want to locate and click on the section labeled App and Browser Control. This will take you to the specific area related to various Smartscreen technologies. Once you're in the App and Browser Control section, you will need to scroll down until you can find the link or button titled Reputation-Based Protection Settings. Clicking this will open up a list of options that allow you to modify how Smartscreen works on your machine. The next steps involve toggling off different Smartscreen options. Start by looking for Check Apps and Files. You'll see a toggle switch next to it, which is likely set to On. Go ahead and click it to turn this off. What this does is essentially stops Smartscreen from checking apps and files against a Microsoft database to determine if they're safe, which can be a helpful feature in most situations, but might also block files you know to be secure. Similarly, repeat this process for Smartscreen for Microsoft Edge. This specific toggle manages how Microsoft's web browser interacts with Smartscreen and affects the safety checks of websites and downloads through Edge. By turning this off, you opt out of certain protective measures Edge implements on your behalf. Finally, look for the Smartscreen for Microsoft Store apps. As you can probably guess, this pertains to applications and games that you download from the Microsoft Store. Just like before, toggle it to off to complete the process. This will ensure that no additional Smartscreen checks are done on apps obtained from the store. And that's it. You've now successfully turned off Microsoft Defender Smartscreen on your computer. Remember, these steps reduce certain layers of protection, so make sure you turn these settings back on later, especially if Microsoft recommends it for your setup. Thank you for watching, and I hope this tutorial was straightforward and helpful for your needs.